Hello dear traders, and welcome to the YouTube channel of EA Forex Academy. I am Petko Aleksandrov and I am the head trader. Here you will find premium courses and tutorials about Forex and cryptocurrency trading. You want to trade with tested trading strategies, professional tools, strategy builders, expert advisors, portfolio of expert advisors. This is exactly what we're going to teach you here. We post videos and free lectures nearly every day, so subscribe and check our website at eaforexacademy.com, where you will find more professional online trading courses, and there is our forum if you'd like to ask any questions. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope to make you a better trader.